This is the Iowa Weather Report for Sunday, March the 1st, 2015. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At noon today, we have a system developing over the south and west. You can see that over the central coast of California into the Intermountain West, and this will be swinging into our direction by early in the week. Our system currently will be moving out. Could see a little bit of light snow early in the day in our eastern, especially southeastern counties, and then partly to mostly sunny skies, highs in the mid-20s to lower 30s across the state. Then as we go into Monday, you see the next system is approaching from the south and west. Most of the day Monday will be dry with partly to mostly sunny skies, but clouds will be on the increase by late in the day. We could see a little bit of snow by very late in the afternoon in our far western counties. And then comes this system on Tuesday. Starts out as snow, and then it should change to a little bit of a mix in the central counties, and then maybe all rain in the south. We'll have a post on that later on in the day. But then that system moves off, and then unfortunately, what has been happening the last several weeks, we get another cold snap. This doesn't look to last very long. Looks like it will be just Wednesday and Thursday at this point. This is Wednesday and this is Thursday. We could see lows near zero in some areas, especially in northeastern Iowa, and then single digits and lower teens elsewhere. We may even see sub-zero readings, but temperatures will be in the teens to lower 20s during the day. And then on Friday, we'll slowly start to see a warm-up. Highs back into the upper 20s northeast to maybe near 40 in the southwestern counties. We'll start seeing some snow melt in some areas. And at night, we could see some of that refreeze, so that could get dangerous in some areas. And then we go into the weekend here. Saturday, it looks fine. Highs likely near seasonal levels in the 30s and lower 40s across the state. Any precipitation will be to our north and to our south. And then even on Sunday, next Sunday, this would be the 8th. This is also the day we spring forward. Daylight savings time begins on March 8th. And you can see a system is going to be coming in from the west, and that might bring a little bit of snow activity across the Dakotas and Minnesota and Wisconsin, but nothing around here at this point. We'll keep watching to see if that changes. So it looks like the end of the week will start out cold and then be fairly quiet and warm up. We go into the extended period around the 12th. You can see a trough digging in across the west, a ridge over the east. That is the total opposite of what we have been seeing. So with that, flow is out of the south and west. Gulf moisture coming up. This could boost readings well above seasonal levels at this point, and this could last for a day or two if this is right. And I think after what we've gone through in February, we're hopeful we get something above average for a change. And then at the end of the forecast on the 16th, we have one system moving across the western Great Lakes, the upper Midwest, another moving over Baja and northern Old Mexico. So with that, we have a bit of a ridge over the south and east at this point, but the system moving through, we have cold air coming in behind a system that's off to our southeast at this point with some showers and thunderstorms. The cold shots don't look to be overly strong, but they could drop readings below average, but not 30 degrees below average as we've been seeing. And the satellite image from last evening, you see one system, the system that brought a little bit of snow to the state, moving off to the east. Our next system is beginning to take shape over the west, but until it takes shape, we really won't know what's going to happen at early week. The watch warning map for last evening, some winter weather issues from the Texas, or West Texas, and even Oklahoma, Kansas, eastward into the mid-Atlantic and northeast. Some winter weather issues over the south and west into the Sierra Nevadas as well, and fairly quiet elsewhere. KPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 6 o'clock, showing heavy precipitation across the upper Ohio River Valley down to the Tennessee River Valley. Around here, maybe around a quarter to a half an inch of liquid equivalent, some of it in the form of rain or snow.